Tia, it's your boy Yao King and Pimpe Bepe by force to the world. Freestyle session. Freestyle session. Second. Lego. T. Okay, Yanko. T. Me you lose up on the rapper me ya wenya me. I'm a pen here for Bomidina what to sebi. Mic check 1 2 freestyle session. Y'all killing me your body now your circle is slow by sure I go reach there tortoise. I'm in business so forget your nonsense. Mike ni beating me let me throw my punches them they wonder why every day I kill. No flopping on your meal we be God way they give me might. Moto mobo na message into flow your tight. I believe in talent before the hype. You penny about to rap mood then me size kinka beating the boom 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 chawana baba menchi then the mafia me nyabo from moto ankoba mechi bosu nankasa obi ne ba woso no mu na sha moja samba ba. Yes, more rappers they beg me for punchlines rapping the me jaida to the day I die. My son kicking and his suit my son abotai and this matter me chuku not trying to reply. Shout out to all my fans nyadi ya yeboboro nyamiti ye dedi dida atubie gu nipa da sendi eye ne papa dia ohu my ye de pillar. My time is on Malamobu tontonti yen masana warfare wo boa or ye tontonti yen masana ye buanyen abajaka mabo queen no kule 7 mitri wire kasa my bedding a claim is strong tick na so de rabofa kokko wada no kokko na me rapping kase na woso so miti de preko miti bita me ye no poto the girl say I dey speed up into mitri ni boko kokko seni mebo hu bia esebeka adi wanu switch leg voter at the point of death I call myself survivor. On here in Maba into one for baby fa. Check it, and yeah, what's up to all my haters? One dinner one who you is if we then be fakers. We claim me shatters so we killers, rap suckers. If you see y'all can come and take the speed GS and I met you walk blue akasa ebeja. Osande minyakuma I be that bolo rapper. Kumasi to if you kuma I be the best rapper. Me strike it that tender. Wopo popo wim tum. And I wanna na a claim me Christian superior what and what you bo wesu. I know be fresh boy mini me the mala mini me who and then what why y'all can me been one now with them cool. We punch lights no your Vic. Wait for me the fufu. I'm a small boy living in the ghetto. I struggle every day to buy my own cocoa. Rap is my talent. Was snapping me the photo. When they dim was some my slapping us oh no. I follow Tommy trap my brother. I'm a French wicked brother. They be a man me set out hey. Cause I'm faceless with weak lines no make a count. New year, new heat. Never I will flop. Where you phone for rap soccer work at the bench. And you Timu Park I will put them in trouble bet. Any more starts in the basic they put in your and I'm tasty. Give me the mic to quench. Yeah, where you follow. Bia you kolo. Obi the fish in the bepo onto menato podo. Apart from playing who you wa still promokodo. About the map a place to be born. Why home and boss me a more hobby. Now rap ya me talent. My combine the hobby talent na me ya ne perfect. Mini rap KGO. I'm a more SS. Me days I made the watch trial. Be ya mo boxes. Me look on the slow. Me pere me speed it up. So you need the best friend and one friend and then a slap. Taddy rapper, money yeah then it's a sack. Y'all killing me ya wide and kenny ya walk. Me the rapper to moving. Me did na osha moda me yembelede. They be a maya shepe. Cause I be the king. Y'all king on the mic rap on the watty ha. Okay see the kind. Me feel it rap too much. Into me with that pia Charlie and ya non-stop. Fake MCs. Munjai long talk. Na my bromu pain. Into niggas there don't ball. Me kwati ya mete. Also me no me ya kola. And so me 3 rhymes. Into me ya wo pasa. Muni kafa. Jinso na koda. Ghana for ne kasa. Asembia ye beka. Check it. It's your boy Yao King. And Pimpo Ebepe. Yo, watch out for SHS Rap Cypher. It's your boy Yao King and Pimpo Ebepe by force to the world. I'm out.